Fruits. In the earlier class we discussed the fleshy fruits. In this video we talk about dry fruits. See, the dry fruits, when the pericarp is dry or non-fleshy, this type of fruits is called a dry fruits. See here, the dried fruits nothing but non-fleshy or the pericarp is dry. This type of fruits is called dried fruits. Example, groundnut and mustard, etc. like this. These dry fruits are three types generally: the dry dehiscent and dry indehiscent and xylocarpic fruits. These are three types. See here the dry dehiscent. Here it is a break open. Here it is the fruit which is a dehiscence, which is a break and open and liberate the seeds. And see here the dry indehiscent means it is unopened fruits. Unopened fruits. Here the seeds are liberated, but when the fruit is disintegrating, when the disintegrating of that fruit, that then only the seeds are liberated. Which means the disintegrating of the pericarp, then only the seeds are liberated. That type of fruits is called dry indehiscent. And third one is xylocarpic fruits. We have to discuss first one, that is a dry dehiscent fruit. Dry dehiscent fruits. Here these fruits are dehisced and liberate the seeds at maturity. This type of fruits is called dry dehiscent. These are of different types. Different types. In those we have to discuss first one, that is a legume. See, the fruit which is dehisced dorsi-ventrally, which dehisced dorsi-ventrally into two halves. Two halves. See the picture. Example, pea or beans. See this fruit which shows, which is a dehisced dorsi-ventrally. Dorsi-ventrally it is a dehisced, which means it is a breakdown. Dorsi-ventrally it is a breakdown into two halves and the liberate the seeds. Liberate the seeds. Example, pea and beans. And next another one dehiscent fruit, that is a capsule. See, a capsule dehisces in different ways to liberate the seeds. See, these are also some types: septicidal and lactucidal and septifragal, etc. See, we have to discuss the septicidal capsule. Example, Aristolochia. What is the septicidal? Which means the fruit which is dehisced along the septa. Which means it is dehisced along the septa. The type of fruit is called septicidal, which means it is dehisced along the septa. Along the septa. Here that septa which is in between the lacules. In between the lacules. That type of fruit is called septicidal capsule. Example, Aristolochia. See here it is the Aristolochia fruit. Aristolochia fruit. See here it is the septa. It is the divided. See here. It is the divided. It is the divided or breakdown along the septa. Breakdown along the septa and releases the seeds releases the seeds. And next one, laculicidal capsule. Laculicidal capsule. Here the fruit which is liberated the seeds. But when it is see here, which shows the dehiscence, in between, which means it's the middle portion of the lacule, which is a dehiscence middle portion of the lacules. That type of fruit is called laculicidal. Example, cotton bendy, Gossypium herbaceum and Abelmascus esculentus. See here the bendy. See here it is a cotton plant, cotton fruit, Gossypium herbaceum. See here it is a open. See here in between the middle portion of the lacule, which shows the middle portion of the lacule. It is a dehiscent middle portion of the lacule, and it is liberated the seeds, which is enclosing the cellulose fiber material that seeds are containing. Yes, this type of fruits is called laculicidal. Example, cotton bendy. And next type, that is dry indehiscence. Dry indehiscence. See, these fruits are usually single seeded and are of different types. Different types. Some are in those we have to discuss some types. Karyoxis, nut, etc. See, first one, that is a Karyoxis. See, the pericarp and seed coat, these two are fused together. This type of fruit is called Karyoxis. Here the pericarp and seed coat, these two fused together, this type of fruit is called Karyoxis, and it is developed from unilacular ovary. So only unilacular ovary of monocarpellary gynoecium. Monocarpellary gynoecium. It is developed from unilacular ovary of monocarpellary gynoecium. Example, rice plant and wheat plants, etc. See here, it is a rice. See, paddy. It is a paddy seed. It is a husk, and it is a pericarp layers are there. These are the pericarp layers are there, and see, it is the endosperm. See here, it is these two are infused together. The husk and the pericarp layers are also fused together. This type of fruit is called Karyoxis, which is present in rice and wheat plants, wheat seeds. Yes, and the next one, nut. It is also one of the indehiscent fruit. It is developing from unilacular superior ovary of bi or multicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium. Multicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium. I am not explaining this one because of already we discussed in the earlier classes. Yes, this fruit is characterized by the stony pericarp. This fruit is characterized by stony pericarp. It is encloses a single seed. It encloses the only single seed, and the pericarp and the seed coat remain free. Example, Anacardium occidentalis, that is a cashew. See here, it is a cashew fruit. See, the pedicel which is converted into false fruit. The pedicel is converted into fruit. That is called false fruit. Because of here it is except the gynoecium. Here the remaining of floral part. That is here in this the pedicel which is converted into fruit. That is called false fruits. Why we are calling the false fruit? Because of it is not produced from the. It is not formed by the gynoecium. That's why we are calling the false fruit. So here the pedicel which is converted into fruit, that is called false fruit, and here it is the true fruit. See here, it is a nut is the true fruit. Here nut is the true fruit, and the next one is Cypsela fruit. It is a one-seeded fruit developing from unilacular inferior ovary of bicarpellary syncarpous gynoecium. The fruit is characterized by the persistent pappus like calyx. See here, it is a seed which shows a pappus. Persistent pappus is there. This type of fruit is called a Cypsela fruit. Example, Asteraceae family members. Like Tridacus procamens, Targidus, Petula, like this. And next one, Shinocarpic fruits. See the fruit of acacia and castor split into one-seeded bits called mericarp, and seeds are persistent seeds are present in mericarps and are liberated only after disintegration of the pericarp. Only after disintegration of the pericarp. See here. See here, it is a lumentum of acacia or schizocarpic fruit of acacia. Like it is a lumentum. One type of schizocarpic fruit. It is called a lumentum, which is present in the acacia or Mimosaceae family. See here, each mericarp is containing a seed. Each mericarp is containing a seed. Here the fruit is shows the constrictions. Shows the constrictions in between the fruit. Shows the constriction in between the seeds. In between the seeds. Each mericarp, which is a split, and it is disintegrated and liberate the seeds. It is disintegrated and liberate the seeds. This is type of fruit is called lumentum. It is in acacia. Some also schizocarpic fruits in some plants like Malvaceae family members like abutilon also having the schizocarpic fruits. And next fruit, that is aggregate fruits. Aggregate fruit. Here the carpels are many. Here the carpels are many. All will remember it. Remember it. Carpels are many and free. Carpels are many and free. And each carpel of such Apocarpus gynecium. Here it is also remember. Apocarpus gynecium and develops into a fruitlet and develop into a fruitlet. Such bunch of fruitlets are called aggregate fruits. Such bunch of fruitlets are called aggregate fruits like ananas, squamosa, custard, apple. Ananas, squamosa example. And next one, composite fruits in a pineapple and jackfruits. Pineapple and jackfruits. Here in these fruits the entire inflorescence which is developed into a fruit. This fruit is known as composite fruit. It is also called as Psoriasis type of fruit. These are the fruit types. Thank you.